Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. So we are in the tutorial 3 of AppScript, right? So in today's video we are going to learn the 5 things okay in AppScripts. So there are 5 things which I have already written. How we can print any message box in the AppScript. So I am just taking you from the basic to advanced. So each and everything we should be aware of. I think this is the easiest way that we guys and you guys actually can learn it. Okay, because if you know that how you can pop up and how you can print any message box in the app script, and after writing the script where you can assign that, okay, so that you just need to click and that script that that script should get executed, right? The second question, how we can assign that code in any button. Okay, and after that, what is the variable declaration, and in app script, that is a very simple way we will be learning in today's video. And how to print the values in the logger. What is logger? I will tell you. And how to print the values in the Google Sheet. All right, so let's start to do from the question number 1, how we can print the message box in the app script. So I already have open the app script. You need to go in the extension, go in app script, and here you need to start to write the code. So the first code we need to write how we can print the message box, right? So let it come first. All right, it's coming. Okay, so by default we have got the name my function. Instead of my function I am writing here print underscore message box. All right, okay. So here you just need to, you guys can copy it and create one more script file and rename it message box. All right, and print it here. Okay, just whatever that we copied, just we pasted it here, right? And how we can, what is the code to printing the message box? So here the message box, for example, you need to write wherever you're going to start work in the Google Sheet. So you will have to start from spreadsheet, right? Spreadsheet app, right? And get UI. All right, get UI, and after that alert. In the alert you need to promote, the whatever the message box you want to you want to print, you need to write here. Okay, for example, I am writing here we done, for example, done, that's it. Okay, and after that we need to, I already told you the shortcut key. Okay, so let's first save it from here. You also can do it from save it here, and you guys can run it. As soon as you're running it, you guys will see. Okay, go in the Google Sheet, you will be able to see the message box, it's coming here, done. Okay, so this is a simple code, this is a simple app script to printing the any kind of message box. This message box could be the customized. All right, we can store anything here, but the first we have done, and now this is the code how we can assign, okay, in this Google Sheet. For example, that there should be one button. If I am clicking on that button, that message box should get pop up, right? First you need to copy this function name, whatever the function name you just kept here. Here you need to go in the insert, go in image. Okay, image, sorry, insert an image in the cell. All right, you need to select it, and after that you need to, no, just we have chosen something else. Go in insert, select drawing. Okay, in the drawing you need to choose here shape. Are you able to see, guys? Here we will have a shape here. Okay, shape, select this shape, for example, and just draw it. Okay, and I'm writing here execute, for example, execute. All right, and just save and close, simple, that's it. Your button will get inserted here, you guys can see. You just click it here, and you can drag it any way you want to keep it. Go and click on these three dots and assign the script, simple. And just whatever the script name where we have, we need to just copy it and we need to paste it here, and okay, that's it. We just assign that this code, okay, in this button. So what actually you need to do, whenever user needs to run this command, user only need to click on this button. If I'm clicking on this, so now I'm getting the message box done, simple. All right, so the two things we have done. Okay, we have done and done. All right, how to declare the variable in the app script. For example, I want to store anything in the variable, so I'm just deleting it, okay, and keeping the name variable declaration. All right. All right. So here you need to start to declare the variable from where. Okay, everything should be in the small where. And for example, I would like to store any one number, for example two numbers. Okay, first of all, here I would be declaring the two variable. Number one, okay, this is the whatever the name you want to keep, you guys can keep number one, two. Okay, and enter. Where number two equal to 3. That's it. All right. Now what I want to do, I want to print this. Okay, I want to do the sum and want to get this printed, okay, in the message box. So how we can do this is the variable declaration, starting. But instead of two, whatever you wanted to assign, you guys can assign it, right? So here I'm gonna write the code. Spreadsheet get UI. All right, alert. In the alert, number one first. All right, plus number two. That's it. You just need to save it, and just again just copy this function name and assign in this button. All right, you need to assign, right click on this and go in the three dot, assign a script, paste it, and okay. You just need to click on this. As soon as you're clicking 5, we are getting the 5. Why 5? Because we know 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and that's what actually we are getting here. You guys can see 5, right? So here variable in variable 1, where the variable name we declared here, number 1. Okay, wherein we store the 2. Okay, in the second variable where we declare the number 2, wherein we have stored the 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. That is what actually we are getting in our message box. All right. So this is how that we can declare. We will also declare a lot of variable in the upcoming videos. You guys don't worry. But this is the concept. This is the very simplest way to declaring any kind of variable. All right. That is what actually we have done. Now we are coming on the very good thing. Okay, what is logger? What is logger? Logger is something, if I want to print this value somewhere, not in the Google Sheet. So where I can print? I can print in this app script editor. How we can do this? Because sometimes what happen in VBA macro, we print the value in the immediate window. So the I mean around the same thing do we have also in the app script? Yes, we do have, which is called logger, right? We can print the values in the logger. So how we can do that? Let's do it. All right. I'm just deleting this command. Okay, and now I'm gonna print it here. Logger dot log, right? Logger dot log, and number one plus number two. Okay, that's it. Now let's save it and run it. As soon as you're running, you guys will be able to, this is something which is called logger. You will be able to see this is the execution log. Okay, so we printed number one, number two, where we printed here. Okay, 5 is coming here. If instead of 5, just press it this and press Ctrl R. Okay, first it will save the code and it will execute it automatically. Now you see it's coming 13. So this is the the logger where you guys can print any kind of values. If you want to see, if you want to check, you guys can do all these things. So the command is the logger.log. I hope guys you are keep on saying and keep on watching the code what I am writing. So the code, the app script, we are not writing very massive. It is in the startup. So don't worry, you just need to start from this kind of small code. Okay, and in the later on, I mean in the upcoming videos, we will be writing very massive code, and we will be doing a lot of automation in the app script. So you guys need to be very careful, okay, while executing or while writing these kind of codes. All right, so I hope you have learned how we can declare the variable, how we can print the values in the logger, how we can assign the code in the app script, I mean in line button, and how we can, very important thing, how we can print the message box. Okay, the first question which we solved, right? So the fourth question we have solved. Okay, and the last one, how to print the value in the Google Sheet. This is what actually which is the good thing. For example, I want to print here Akash, for example, okay, in A1. So what I can do, I'm just writing this. All right, you need to write like this: spreadsheet app get spreadsheet. Okay, get Are you able to see? Get active spreadsheet. All right. Then get, okay, active sheet dot get range. In the range, row number would be 1, column number would be 1. I want to set the value Akash. That's it. Now you guys can see we don't have anything in A1 as of now. I'm pressing Control R. It will save my code and it will execute it automatically. Now you will be able to see I will get the success message. It is asking first of all what I'm doing. I am now going to integrate this app script editor with this Google Sheet. So for the same, it is asking the review permission. So we need to we need to allow the access. So you need to click on this review permission first, and after that you will have this option of allowing, okay, ExcelVBA Expert for example. Okay, I would like to continue from this email address. Okay, and now the next thing that you need to do is, it is saying the Google has not verified this app. You need to go in advanced, okay, and continued only if you understand the risk and trust the developer. Yeah, just go to the untitled project unsafe, just click on this. All right, and allow. As soon as you will allow, it will actually get executed. Authorization successful. Now it's running. Okay, see, we have got the success message, so we must have the value in A1 now. So Akash is coming here, right? So this is the new, I mean, this is the line that you guys can write, okay, to print any kind of values in the Google Sheet. All right, this is what actually you need to do. Okay, so I hope guys that you have understand these 5 questions. In the upcoming videos, definitely I would be also creating how we can select data, how we can add the sheet, how we can count the sheet, how we can delete the sheet, how we can I mean, how we can do the coloring, how we can do the font coloring, how we can do the bold. These kind of small kind of commands first you guys need to learn, and after that we will be able to create a very big or massive automation, right? And we can execute them in our organizations as well. Okay, so you guys need to learn all these things. Okay, these are the startings, these are the initial stage, okay, initial stage of question which I am bringing, okay, in the upcoming, in the initial videos, right, of the app script. So you guys need to learn, okay, as much as you can learn. If you have any kind of doubt, you guys can put the comment box, comment in the comment box. All right, and I will definitely reply you back. Okay, so for the time being, I would say thanks to everyone for watching the video, and let's meet in the next video with the new topic, okay, in the app script, I mean, in the next week. All right, so thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Thanks a lot.